Welcome back, everyone. If you are struggling to save your PowerPoint presentation as image or PDF or as a video file, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's pull up a PPT file that you want to convert to JPG or JPEG image. Then go to Save As. Roll up the Save As type options. You can see various image types are available. Let's save it as JPEG. Click on Tools to select the required resolution. I am selecting HD resolution. Give file a name and hit Save. Because I want to save only one slide, I will select just this one. Otherwise you can select all slides. Now that the file is saved as JPEG, let's check the file. Let's now see how to save the file as PDF. Go to Save As. Roll up the Save As type options. Save it as PDF. Click on Options to see various publishing options. Select whatever necessary. I will leave it as it is. Click on Tools and let it be HD resolution. Give file a name and hit Save. Let's check the file. Now let's see how to save the file as a video format. For this to happen, let's ensure the PPT file has animations and transition. Go to Save As. Roll up the Save As type options. Save it as MP4. Give file a name and hit Save. It takes some time. You can check the status down below. Now the file is saved as MP4, let's check the file. Similarly, there are many other formats you can save your PPT to. As a takeaway, try saving the file as slideshow and let me know the steps in the comments below. Leave a comment if you run into issues or have more such questions. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip and trick video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.